So today I'll be doing a video on the South Bank Besace that I got about 9 months ago, and I'll be doing a review on this bag and let you know if there are any wears and tears. When I got this bag, this was originally $1,400. It is currently going for $1,520, and I believe they just had a price increase today. So a little bit about this bag. It is 12.6 inches in length. It is 9.84 inches in height and 3.15 inches in width. This is the only canvas that it comes in. It is in the damier ebene print. It has a tassel in the front with the red interior. It has one big pocket in the front. It is not magnetic here. And in the front it has the Louis Vuitton Paris with the two rivets. On here has an adjustable strap, but it is not removable. This bag has 5 settings, and I have it in the middle setting. And on the ring it says Louis Vuitton. It also features a double zip on the top. As you can see, it slightly goes in the middle. Has a double zip opening. Inside is the red interior and has one slip pocket here, which is pretty substantial, and that is pretty much what the bag is. There is no back pocket. So a little bit about the wear and tear. As far as I can see, there aren't too many wears on this. I don't see any tarnishing between where the ring is and where the strap is attached. It still looks pretty brand new. There is a little bit of wrinkling on the strap, but it's very minimum. There's no scuffs on the leather trimmings. And as far as the edges goes, I don't see any wear on the edges of it. I also don't see any fraying of the stitching. The tassel, I do see that sometimes the tassel kind of tends to open up. So what I do to keep it as straight as possible is, if I'm not using the bag, I put it inside the pocket like so that it helps it keep its shape when it's not being used. So that's what the tassel looks like. Again, I don't see any wear on this. I also don't see any color transfer. I tend to wear this with jeans most of the time, and I don't see any color transfer. The only thing that I would probably say is a challenge is the zipper. It's not super smooth, and that can be understandable just because it's not straight across here. It slants in a little bit, so that could be why it's not as smooth, but I don't really see that as a big issue. This is what the front pocket looks like. Can't really see, but again, I don't really see that much wear. If I were to receive this today, it would look like I just got it. There's No tarnishing yet on any of the hardware here on the strap. This is a great everyday bag, especially for like crossbody bags. I primarily use the front pocket to put my keys in here just because it's so easy to take it in and out. And if you watch my other videos on what's in my bag, I pretty much put the same things in this bag as well. I could see why this isn't removable because this is primarily a crossbody bag. It's not meant to be like anything but a crossbody or a shoulder bag. So anyways, thank you guys for watching my wear and tear video and quick review on the South Bank Besace. See you guys next time. Bye.